Is he a succubus? Thorn! That's enough! Sit! You sit! Now, do you want me to take you down to Chinatown?
He wants grub.
What did Dad say?
He wants grub.
What?
Grub. Grub.
You want it? Show me. Show me.
Come on, let's go get grub.
Show me.
Let's go get
Show me.
Come on, let's go.
What do you want?
Come on, let's
Show
go.
me.
Come on, let's go get it. Go get it. Let's go get it.
Show me. Come on. Come on.
Don't you tear up Mom's mic.
What? Show me. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Show me. There's nothing up there. Where's it at? Where's it at? No. Where's it at? Where's it at? Thorn. What do you want? Thorn. What do you want? Show me. Who's the dumb dog? What's Dad getting?
Not his grub.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Seriously?
What?
Seriously, Thorn?
His camera shy.
Thorn. What do you want? What do you want? Show me. Show me. Where's it at? Show me. Where's it at, Thorn? Where is it at? Where is it at? You can't have the fajitas. You're a dumb dog.
See? Look.